If you play Roblox and you've heard about Delta Executor, you probably know that it's officially built for mobile users, mainly iOS and Android. But what if you want to use Delta Executor on a PC or Mac? If you're looking for Delta Executor on PC for Roblox, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download, install, and run Delta Executor on Windows and Mac in 2026, step-by-step, safe, clean, and beginner-friendly. No fake executors, no endless redirects, and no broken files that crash your game. Alright, let's dive into it. If you want to run Delta Executor on Windows or Mac, you need a stable emulator that's optimized for gaming. Delta Executor is originally made for mobile devices, so running it directly on a computer is not possible without an emulator. After testing many options, I finally found the best solution, BlueStacks Air. BlueStacks Air is a lightweight, high-performance emulator designed specifically for gaming. It delivers smooth gameplay, better FPS, and stable compatibility with Roblox. Unlike older emulators, BlueStacks Air runs fast on both Windows and macOS, including Apple Silicon Mac. Now let's install BlueStacks Air. I've already put the official download link in the video description, so make sure you use that link to avoid fake or unsafe websites. Download BlueStacks Air, and it will automatically detect whether you're using Windows or Mac. Then, install BlueStacks Air and open the installer and install it like a normal app. Once BlueStacks Air is open and ready, we can move on to the next step. Now let's install Delta Executor inside BlueStacks. First, open BlueStacks. Next, download Delta Executor only from official sources. You can get it from their official Discord server, or you can use the trusted link I've put in the video description. Download Delta Executor with a PK file extension. Once the APK is downloaded, drag and drop the APK file into BlueStacks, or click Install a PK inside BlueStacks and select the file. BlueStacks will automatically install Delta Executor for you. When the installation is complete, you'll see Delta Executor on the home screen ready to use. Next, we need to set up the configuration so Delta Executor runs smoothly inside BlueStacks. First, click the settings icon in BlueStacks. Then go to Performance. Here you can adjust the settings based on your computer Windows or Mac specs. If you have a high-end device, you can set everything to the highest options. If you're using a mid or low-end device, feel free to lower the settings. I recommend experimenting a bit to find the best balance between performance and stability. After that, go to the frame rate section. Enable high frame rate and set the frame rate limit higher. And turn on display FPS so you can monitor performance in real time. Once everything is set, click Save. Now, restart the app, open Delta Executor, and try running it inside BlueStacks. You should notice smoother performance and better stability. Then log in to your Roblox account. If you're just testing Delta Executor for the first time, I highly recommend using a new or alternate account instead of your main one. Once you're logged in, choose any game you want. Join a server and wait until the game fully loads. At this point, you can use Delta just like you would on a mobile device. If everything opens smoothly and the game runs without issues, that means Delta Executor is working properly on BlueStacks. As you can see, the frame rate is stable and smooth while running Delta Executor on BlueStacks. So that's how to install and run Delta Executor on PC. Delta Executor does not have an official PC version for Windows or Mac. But in 2026, the best and safest way to use Delta Executor on a computer is by running it through BlueStacks Air. With the right emulator settings, you can use Delta Executor just like on a mobile device, with smooth performance and stable FPS as you've seen in this video. All the download links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.